This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up grid in Photoshop, updated. Start by enabling rulers from the View menu, then open Preferences and choose Guides, Grid, and Slices. Set grid line every value that matches your design units and choose subdivisions to define finer alignment. Apply preview and test snapping by toggling View Snap and Snap to Grid. This quick setup helps layouts, typography alignment, and precise placement for both web and print work. To make a useful grid, pick units that match your output, such as pixels for screens or inches for print. Set the grid line every value to a size that supports your layout grid, for example 50 pixels or 3.5 inches, and then choose a subdivision count to break that square into helpful increments. This gives predictable spacing, stops you from eyeballing measurements, and speeds up consistent alignment across layers and artboards. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps me make more content. Quick recommendation: there is a book that can truly change how you think about money called The Simple Path to Wealth, and I found some ideas surprisingly relevant to planning design budgets. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you snag it, enjoy the read. Now let's get back to the video. Turn on Snap and Snap to Grid to make layers and shapes jump to nearest grid lines automatically for faster alignment. Combine grids with custom guides when you need asymmetrical columns or bleed areas that the grid cannot represent. For multi-artboard documents, set grids per artboard so each canvas has its own spacing and units. This approach keeps responsive designs organized and ensures consistent margins, gutters, and safe areas across variants.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.